before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access some of the most powerful AI image and video generators completely free without having to pay for them upfront. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. So with that being said, let's jump right into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so the platform I'm talking about in this video is a platform I have been talking about it on this channel for a while, but the reason why I still bring it is because the platform still works and you can be able to generate AI videos and images for free using some of the top AI images and video models. So just go over to Google and search Kie.ai and sign up for an absolutely free account. Once you sign up, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now, immediately you sign up, this platform gives you 80 credit as welcome bonus, and you can use it to try different AI models like Seedance 2.0, Veo 3.1, Grok AI, Kie.ai, and a lot more. So for example, if I come over here and click on AI video here, you will see Kling models, you will see Seedance models here, which includes Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0, and Seedance 1.5. You also see Helio model here. You will see Veo 3.1, Grok Imagine, and one video models. If I come over here and click on AI image, you will see all the AI image models here. These are all the models. You can use them to generate images, which includes Seedance 5 Pro, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and more. So first of all, we are going to go ahead and generate an image here using GPT Image 2. So I'm going to click on it here and click GPT Image 2. So once I tap on it, it's going to take me right here. So I'm going to be generating an image here. So all I'm going to do is to scroll down here and paste in my prompt right here. I'm going to select the resolution. You can select up to 4K, but let's stick to 1K resolution. After that, I'm going to come down here and hit generate. And once I hit generate, the image is going to start generating, as you can see it right here. Now take note, we are using GPT Image 2 to generate this image. So you can generate images on this platform, and you can also generate videos on the platform. Let's go ahead and wait for the image generation to be completed. Alright guys, so after waiting, you can see the image has been generated successful right here using GPT Image 2.0. So let's go ahead and download the image and then use it to generate our video using Grok Imagine or any other AI model for video generations. So I'm just going to click over here and you can see the image is now downloading. Alright, so now let's go ahead and generate a video using Grok Imagine. So I'm going to come over here on AI video, click on it and click Grok Imagine. It's going to take me right here. So over here, I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to remove this. Click here to select my image. This is the image. I'm going to go ahead, open it, and you can see it uploading right here. Alright, so the image has been uploaded successful. Next, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the animation prompts right here. So I'm going to paste in the prompts, and right here you can see how many credits it's going to cost us to generate this video. Next, I'm going to scroll down here and select my aspect ratio as 16:9, and the duration I'm going to leave it to 6 seconds, but you can generate up to 30 seconds videos here. The resolution I'm just going to leave it on 480p. Then I'm going to go ahead and click. Let's go ahead and wait for the video generation to be completed. Okay guys, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see it right here. Now to download the video, all you need to do is to come over here, click on this button here, and you can see the video has started downloading. Alright, so it has been downloaded successful. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, you can access and use different AI models on this platform without having to pay upfront. So if you appreciate this information, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icons so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.